Hello everyone. Today we will discuss another topic under environmental studies and environmental law. Today we will be discussing about under environmental studies is hazardous substance regulations, which is also as provided under Section 6 of the Environment Protection Act 1986. The list of topics to be covered here is introduction. We will discuss about hazardous substance. Section 6 of Environment Protection Act 1986, then various rules and regulations related to hazardous substance and few case studies. Industrial development is playing a pivotal role in India for its economic growth and employment potential. So also industrialization and generation of hazardous waste are inevitable scenarios. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, defines hazardous waste as any waste which, due to its physical, chemical, or biological composition, is likely to harm health or environment, whether alone or in contact with other waste or substances, due to its peculiar chemical composition. Non-scientific treatment and disposal of hazardous waste is posing serious threats to human life, the ecology, and the environment. As far as the definition is concerned of hazardous substance, Section 2, Clause E defines hazardous substance means any substance or preparation which, by reason of its chemical or physiochemical properties or handling, is liable to cause harm to human beings, other living creatures, plants, microorganisms, property, or the environment. We can say that hazardous means risky or dangerous, therefore, any substance which is likely to cause harm to the living being's property or any component of the environment can be named as hazardous substance. The hazardous nature of the substance, either qualitatively or quantitatively, in terms of causing potential damage to the environment and human beings, other living creatures, plants, and property, will be taken into account while prohibiting or restricting the hazardous substance. Section 6 of Environment Protection Act 1986 defines certain rules to regulate environmental pollution. It says that the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, make rules in respect of all or any of the matters which are referred to in the section 3, and in particular and without prejudice to the generality of the foregoing power. Such rules may provide for all or any of the following matters, namely: first matter is related to the standards of quality of air, water, or soil for various areas and purposes. Another is the maximum allowable limits of concentration of various environmental pollutants, which also includes noise for different areas. Then, the procedures and safeguards for the handling of hazardous substances, the prohibition and restrictions on the handling of hazardous substances in different areas, the prohibition and restrictions on the location of industries and the carrying of processes and operations in different areas, the procedures and safeguards for the prevention of accidents which may cause environmental pollution and for providing for remedial measures for such accidents. Now, the various rules related to hazardous substance. Various rules related to hazardous substance are: the central government, while exercising its powers, have published various standards to maintain quality of air, water, soil, and for safe handling, management, and disposal of hazardous substance. Some of the rules notified by central government under this section of the Act are: The Hazardous Waste Management and Handling Rules 1989, the Manufacture, Storage and Import of Hazardous Chemical Rules 1989, the Chemical Accidents, Emergency Planning, Preparedness and Response Rules 1991, the Biomedical Waste Management and Handling Rules 1998, the Recycled Plastics Manufacture and Usage Rules 1999. Now, let's discuss certain case studies with respect to hazardous substance. In MC Mehta versus Union of India, hot mix plant to resurface the airport runway was found to be hazardous industry as it was causing air pollution. In another case of MP Seb versus Collector, the Madhya Pradesh High Court has declared that electricity is a hazardous substance in any quantity as its physiochemical properties are liable to cause such harm to human beings and other living creatures, plants and microorganisms, etc.